at the table tag we will give the attribute height equals to 480 pixels. Now you can see that we have somewhat what we want. See, we have this section detail. I can take it as 200 pixels, and at the navigation I can say it also to be 200 pixels. So it is just a simple thing. At the details cell TD, after TD I will write width equals to 200 pixels, and at the navigation inside the TD I will write width equals to 200 pixels. Now save, refresh. So now I got both of these in the 200 pixels. But as you can see, the my profile homepage and footer sections doesn't have so much height. So for that, what we will do is we just drop the height from the table. Now the height has been gone, but it doesn't matter. We will curate whole table according to ourselves. So first at the TD, at the second row I will give image src equals to, I have kept the image in the desktop, and I will give the name of that image, or you can say my image, my photo, my photo.png, and close this and just delete the photo. Now now just yeah, now just save, go to browser, refresh. Yes, there I got my photo, but it is like my grim face. I will take this address of mine from the here and write it on the details here. So I just kept this on the details. Let's take this down. Yes, I just have to write my name also. Now file, save, go to browser, refresh. Yes, there I got my name and my address, but it doesn't look seem so good. So what I will do, I will just style it. I will use break tag after Yuvraj Joshi, after Sai Hostel, br slash, after graphic era deemed to be university. I just copy and paste it. There you go, Clement Town and then Dehradun. All should be apart. Save, go to browser, refresh. Yes. I should also use bold tag in the Yuvraj and align them all of them into the right position. Yes. There I got my name and my address. Now for the navigation panel, I will give all of this and try to create a link for each one of them. So at the navigation, I just copy and paste the similar thing what I have in another notepad file. Save, refresh, and it is bit of clumsy. So I will do the similar thing what I did earlier. I will use break tag to differentiate them to keep them all in the different lines. Yes. Now file, save, refresh, go to browser. Yes, now it looks good now, but I know I need more space. So what I will do to make it a link is like this. I will use anchor tag. I will use anchor tag to give them a link. For firstly I am using hash to just signify them as a link, and I will just close the anchor tag. I will copy this closing anchor tag and paste it all over. Yes, you can see all of those have turned into the link, but right now it is inactive because I have used hash over there. I will be giving them the path. So what I will do, firstly what I will do is just I will style my whole page. I will give font size to my profile so it can look good, and similar thing on the home page font size, but I will give the font size here as 4 and just close the font, save, refresh. Yes, font size and home page has been enlarged. Now what I will do is you give more space to home, qualification, work, skill set, competencies, accomplishment, personal language, and use double break over there. Save, refresh. Now you can see all of those are apart and looks very good and neat. Now for the footer section, okay, now for the coloring of this of this page, what I will do is write bg color at the body, it equals to black. Refresh. All of this has been turned into black and it doesn't look very good, so I will color all of them. At the at this table cell I will use yellow. See what happens. Refresh. My profile cell got lit up and it turned into yellow. Now at my photo row, my photo section, I will give it a sky blue color. So bg color equals to sky blue in double inverted commas. Refresh, you can see. Now what I will do is I will turn all the labels into yellow and all bigger sections into sky blue. Likewise, in the home page I gave it yellow, and in the navigation section I gave it sky blue. In the main content I gave it yellow, but I doesn't need it here, so I give it on the footer because main content would be displayable. Refresh. Yes, but the main content has been lost, so what I will do is just give it a white color. So at the td span equals to 2, I just add bg color equals to white at the main content. Save, refresh at the browser. There you go. Now it looked good, but I just wanted something else. Like what I'm doing is I'm experimenting with the colors. Similar thing you can also perform while you are performing this experiment. So I